to talk, you know. But Roger using brain pan uno. Roger system and get gift, so Roger continue to ride the wave. Roger have a pint, you know. Roger have a... Bro, Roger, me nah say Roger not have no fine to talk, you know. You hear TJ ride the wave, bro. Why him ride the wave more than TJ and TJ happen to? It's a comeback him a look, bro, when me talk the truth to the not go like me.
Oh, me no want them feel like me a ride no wave and stop. So me no pressure them. And that them a do. You don't know them psychology where them a come with. Them a come say some things to Roger. For Roger stop talk.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know what the thing said. We are blessed. And you also know the story ain't complete if King Mix up in on the beat. And as you seen in the beginning of the video, who is real and who is fake. Mr. Miles, we see who is putting them loyalty to corporate Jamaica and Romeich instead of splitting justice and saying strictly justice for Moya and TJ. You see, Miles, some people putting out a comment section where you think about that because this is people are complaining, so people are riding the wave. You know what I mean? And that's exactly what they're supposed to do. You know what I mean? Because just because boy, I am all the food off of everybody, so people supposed to have some food, not off of him, but from him, you see it. So let's hear what Jayden has to say, and then we'll hear what Roger has to say at the end, and then we'll proceed with what we have to say again.
No need to do all the way I do, bro. You see it? And I don't know if I pick up, I don't say me I pick up a blood clot Romeich. Me know so Romeich wrong, and me tell Romeich saying blood clot wrong. I don't hide that from nobody, bro. But Roger ride the wave under style. Remember what the Roger say? Remember what the Roger say him not get no gift, you know. And what the Roger say him not get no gift, you know. So Roger glad say this time, bro. So him can come and talk and try get the fuel, the money guns. I've used him a look, bro. Bro, me tell you, say me sit through all around. Me say me sit through them, you know. Me sit through what I'm doing, bro. Me sit through and me tell him the truth. Him know say the truth. Him over there. Brother, right now I cost him and that cost me in a video. Right now I cost him and that cost me and say him nah get no gift. Right now I'm happy for him I get do now. So him I go continue to ride the wave, bro. And I talk about justice. I feel like Roger really want justice with blood clot TJ. Roger system and get gift, so Roger continue to ride the wave. Roger have a pint, you know. Roger have a... Bro, Roger, me nah say Roger not have no fine to talk, you know. But Roger using brain pan uno. Roger using... Bro, Roger using brain pan uno. Bro, no go make content, bro. Swiss come live and say Bumbuckler Romeich wrong. 6 come live and say Romeich wrong. Look how much we come live and say Romeich wrong. Even Rebel come live and say Romeich wrong. You hear man them still a talk about it, bro. And Romeich no say wrong too. You hear the man them come live every day a talk about it, bro. You hear TJ ride the wave, bro. Why him ride the wave more than TJ and TJ happen to? It's a comeback him a look, bro, when me talk the truth to the not go like me, you know. Oh, not like me, no, bro. Bro, the man come and do the same thing with blood clot Abel. The man come and do the same thing with blood clot Abel. Nobody now say Roger enough to talk, bro. We now say Roger enough to talk. But Roger ride the wave more than blood clot a person where it happened to. Him not even give me a chance to talk. Me ask him, do you have a problem with blood clot Rebel? Do you have a problem with Swiss? Roger would have never ride a wave, they never have no problem with nobody, bro. If Roger and Romeich and blood clot, it would have them did good. You would hear Roger come talk, so you. Tell me I tell you that. You would hear Roger come talk, so bro. Nobody now say what Romeich do. Nobody now say what Romeich do. Right, bro. Me not justify that. Because you hear me come and talk say Bumbuckler Romeich wrong. Man, I ride the wave on that style. Continue ride the wave on that style and see if you don't get tricked. Yeah? Now fuck. Some man, you know say, it's like Roger right. I don't give a fuck. Roger white right in many ways. Me not say Roger wrong. But him a ride the wave, bro. Roger been a talk about this for too long. The man will get blood clot box done. You know see man depend I'm live for much hours. The man will get box done and get beat up on them. So bro, you know see the man depend the blood clot, bro. You see if you're not using a sense. Now I get trick. You see it. Take trick, girl. Sister in love get trick.
I get the ick for real. For real, I don't like seeing that. What's up?
Yo, moderator, take some of them peep. Yo, take some of them peep out of my comment, bro. Please and thank you. I'll not talk. Some of them have no sense, you know. I can't go and talk. You don't really have no sense, bro.
You realize I ain't got no smoke, right?
Huh?
You realize I don't have any smoke, right?
And if you accept the match, really.
Jesus. Jayden, I just now started coming back on TikTok last week after being gone for months. I don't even have...
Bro, why no feet? You say you go hand follow me. Me I go dead if you hand follow me. Pussy. Me I go dead if you hand follow me. Me I go dead if you hand follow me. Next week when all of this done, una go steal. Someone know where I say Raja now. Next week una go say Raja Batman. Wait. I just time do it, you know. Remember, you know, bro. Time do it. Yeah. Time do it. Uno see him and I go say Raja Batman. Yeah. Alright. Bro, Mali, beg you something. Yo, if Raja and Rebel them did good, you would hear Raja chat, so bro. Tap. Go on like me, I fucking need that, no, man. Tap, go on, yo. I wanna come go on like me, I fucking need that, bro. Everybody knows him about Swiss. Everybody know about him, bro. Cho. Come on, 37 rows. And I must, John. Come on, 37 rows. If that girl comment again in my black, you know, girl, because I see a love fucking chat, you know. Big pussy girl, come out of my rascal comment and chop the fuck up. You chat too rascal much. I go, hold on, pan a block. Moderator, clean up your comment, no, man. I wish moderator there. Raja look a rank. Rank Raja look. Go build content, youth. Rank him a look, man. Rank him a look. Come on, chat. Use the blood clot. Use the bumbo clot, chicken. Use the triple chat. Use the triple. Use the triple. Yeah. I'm going like when I hear that, you know. Nobody knows the way dogs say wrong. We can't do now fight now. TJ look like him all want forgive him. Don't have fight now, bro. I burn them, yes. But they remember, bro. Only can't do now. Make the people them bash him, bro. Make the people them bash him. Make the people them bash him, bro. Cause that's why the people them there. Make the people them bash him. All the girls say one Roger. Roger no want hear from you, know. Okay, you know no badge, you know. You feel like you can put him in a rank, you know. You feel like Roger want hear from you, girl. But one Roger. One your mother, man. It's blood clot, but one Roger. You feel like Roger want hear from you. You can't send Roger a money gun. Roger no want hear from you, you know. And me alone want hear from you. You better know that. You can't put him in a ranking. If you like say if Roger talk right now and Nancy not give him a continue talk. Wait. No wait. But I me run match. Yeah, I me run match. So if you never want to play no match.
As you can see, he is trying to ride the rave as well, but being smart about it. You see, I say, and saying the right things that the people them want to hear, but the people them not feel it. You see, I say, my people putting out the comment section where you think about that, because Roger said they might use Sykes, so them can get them to stop talk about Romeich. You see, I say, so let's hear what I'm going for them to go on, and then we proceed at the end.
And wanna eat dinner, justice to TJ and Moya. Wanna eat dinner, wanna eat dinner, wanna eat dinner. Move on a blood clot. Justice to Moya and TJ. Can't change this. Wanna eat dinner. Look, I shut them and try shut me up. All they see what them I do, I stop them or I stop talk. Them feel like so when them talk and them chat them things, them I go say, oh, me no want them feel like me a ride no wave and stop. So me no pressure them. And that them I do. You don't know them psychology where them I come with. Them I come say some things to Roger, for Roger stop talk. Them a come say some things to Roger for Roger feel bad. So Roger can't stop talk and Roger can't stop blood clot say whatever. But I can ride on a blood clot wave like what no say. I can ride on a wave like what no say. I can ride on a wave. You know what come shut me up. Shut them want shut me up people. You know say. Them want come shut me up. Them want come shut me up through me a talk about them boss. Justice Moya and TJ. Them want come shut me up through me a talk about them boss. Jesus Christ world Jamaica. Mighty God of Daniel. Murder. Mighty God of Daniel. Them want come shut me up through me a talk about them boss. Them send Jayden and Rose. Them send Jayden and Rose to try shut me up. Show me a talk about Romeich. Friend the other one. The other phone friend. Them want come shut me up. Show me a talk about them boss. Dynamite. Justice Moya and TJ. Me next to no come. Me have some double explosion for flinging down and busting up. Suck on a mother. Me next, me live at 161 Princess Street, you no come. Me bust up on a blood clot. Me next, I want to no see me a road, you no come. I have some grains for standby and some popcorn and dollar kind for flinging out nobody. Friend, call the next one, friend. Dinner man, you no come. Me next, you no come. You no can't threaten me, me no afraid. Me nah stop talk. Me nah stop talk. You no can't shut me up. Dynamite. 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 Hello? Yeah. Dynamite. Dynamite. Them buying out for the big red and white sweetie. I don't know why come shut me up. It now go work. Dynamite I gotta find a song for no. Me I find a song for no blood clot. Dynamite. We not frightened for sweets, never. Me not diabetic. Me diabetic. Me not frightened for sweets, me not even like candy. Me diabetic. Dynamite. And them want come shut me up Jamaica. Vloggers, them want shut me up. Jayden and Rosalie try shut me up. Vloggers. Jayden and Rosalie try shut me up. Them no want me talk about Romeich. Vloggers. Them a try shut me up. Them no want me talk about Romeich. Jayden and Rose. Dynamite. Dynamite. The big red and white sweetie. When I like sweets, a lucky thing me diabetic. Lucky thing me diabetic tank no Jamaica. Justice Moya and TJ. Them send them for shut me up. Them send them for try discredit me so nobody no know. And them feel like say it a go work. Remember we prophesy it. Dynamite. Dynamite. The big red and white sweetie. Justice Moya and TJ.
Win a barrel of things valued at over $400,000 with
Dynamite.
7-day plan for just
Justice Moya and TJ them send Jayden and Rosalie for try shut me down. Me nah talk. Romeich sorry but me nah talk. Dynamite. Them say me next on a blood clot come. Dynamite.
Yeah, all heap of things are going, because we upload all heap of things today, you know, so I can put the links down at the end of the screen, which you should probably see, but if not, definitely in the comment section, you see what I'm saying. But definitely subscribe to my main channel, you see in front of you, King Mix Up one word, because we're going to drop a big review over this so soon you see it. Turn on the notification bell too, and press all. Bless.